Here we have a simple project in Microsoft Project. In today's video, I'm going to create a risk register. And to show you that, I'll just move this over here a little bit. And watch over here. Okay, go to View. And I'm going to create a risk register. Now, I've already done this before, so it's going to show up in my list. But if you don't have it, I'll show you what to do. Again, here it is, because I've already done this before. But if you don't have one, go to More Tables, then New, call it Risk Register, and just click OK after that. But since I already have one, Tables, Risk Register. And if you notice here, a couple columns populated, text 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have a little bit more here. So a couple new columns were created. So let's go to text 1, highlight it, and risk register is all about custom fields. Okay, so custom fields, and I'm going to call text 1. I'm going to rename it, and I'm going to call it probability. Open parentheses 1 through 5, and close the parentheses. And I'm going to lookup. If you noticed, probability 1 through 5 and probability 1 through 5. So lookup, and I'm going to assign some values 1, 2, and description is low. And high. Close. Okay, let's go on to text 2 and click OK. Let's go on to, and if you notice, probability 1 through 5, and watch when I pull the drop down arrow. And we got low, medium, medium, and high. Okay, we're going to do pretty much the same thing for text 2. Highlight it, custom fields, because risk register is all about custom fields. And we want to call this impact. Open parentheses, 1 through 5, and close the parentheses. And I want to do that same thing, so go to lookup, send some values. Description. And high. And close. And OK. So impact, and do the drop down arrow, 1 through 5. Now, text 3, we're going to multiply probability, whatever's in probability, times whatever is in impact. And we're going to get the results here. And to do that, we go to custom fields, rename, and I'm going to call this risk level. Open parentheses, probability times impact, open parentheses, 1, 5, and close the parentheses. Okay, but I want to put a formula in there because I want to multiply probability times impact. So let's put a formula in there. Now you can type it out, or what I prefer to do, because if you do it this way, you're not going to make as many mistakes. So go down to field, text, custom text, and we want probability, the one we just created, times and you could do the asterisk on your keyboard, or you could do it right here. And field again, text, custom text, and times impact. And OK. It says that the data in the existing field will be deleted. And if the formula takes, we'll go straight. OK, it did take. We went straight back to there. So, OK. Now we have errors right here. Don't be alarmed. It's because we don't have any data for probability or impact. As soon as I put some values into probability and impact, the risk level will populate with a number, and the error will go away. So let's go on to number 4, and custom fields. And I want to call this risk severity. And OK. Okay, let's put a formula in there, and this is going to be a little more complicated formula, but we will be able to handle it. So go to formula, and IIF, and open parentheses. Now those familiar with the if statement in Excel, this is basically this. So we want to if text, custom text, the risk level, text 3, is greater than, and I'm going to pick 14, comma, space, open parentheses. If it's greater than 14, it will be high. Close parentheses, comma, space, IIF, open parentheses, field, text, custom text. Okay, now if the risk level, text 3, is greater than 5, space, and the word and, A-N-D. Now you can type it out, or you can do it right here, and text, custom text. I'm going to use text 3 again. Less than 14, because we've got greater than 14, now less than 14, comma, space, in quotes, because this text, I'll put a capital M, doesn't really matter though, comma, space, and low. And I'm going to put capital L. Okay, if it's medium or high, okay, now we get, if you look, I'll zoom in. Now if you look at the formula here, oh, by the way, I will have this formula down in the description. So if you don't want to type it out, you can just copy and paste and put it in there. And so, okay, so what we have a couple open bracket parentheses, so we got to close those. So close, close. And okay, now if I did the formula correctly, it will come up with a, it'll populate right into this box right here after I get the message of eliminating the data. Will be deleted all data, and the formula worked right away. Okay, but if you didn't type it in correctly, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix that. Go back to formula, and let's say you had a comma after the 5, and okay. And it says it contains a syntax error or it contains a reference. Now click OK. And it will actually show you where the error is, or in this case, right after the error. So let's get rid of the comma and OK. And we'll go straight here. That you know the formula worked then. So let's go OK. Oh, before we do that, let's put some graphical indicators in here. And it will come clear here in a second. So let's go equals, and we're going to have 3 graphical indicators. The values, we're going to put high, medium, and low. Now, here's the image. For high, we want a red frown face, or whatever you want to call it. For medium, we want a neutral face. And we'll go green. And for low, we want a happy face. And let's go that color. So we've got 3 different colors and 3 different faces. And OK. And OK. So let's start putting some values in probability. Let's go medium low. Impact. And we'll go medium low. And it populates with a 4 because it multiplies, because of our formula, multiplies probability times impact. And we get a low. So let's go a medium. Medium times a medium. A 9, which is a neutral face. And let's do a high. And we get a red face. How to do a risk assessment in Microsoft Project.